Good day, ma'am. I am Geraldine Limuka. I am 21 years old. I also currently living at Barangay Salvacion, Taglimao, Prosperidad, Agusan del Sur, and I am the eldest of my siblings. And my mother's name is Ginaline Bando Moka, and my father's name is Rini Lalisan Moka. I was born on March 29, 2003 at Zamboanga City. And about my academic, I currently studying at St. Francis Xavier College at San Francisco, Agusan del Sur, with the course of criminology, and also I am now a fourth year student. I think that's all. Thank you. God bless.